Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be learning about the RADICAN sword, also known as the broadleaf sword or heartleaf sword. It's a popular aquatic plant native to the shallow waters of South America, particularly found in the regions like the Amazon basin. This versatile plant is favored by aquarists for its lush green foliage and adaptability to various aquarium conditions. An interesting fact about the RADICAN sword is its ability to propagate through runners, allowing it to spread across a substrate and create a beautiful carpet effect in the aquarium. This makes it an excellent choice for creating a natural, dense planting scheme. RADICAN sword plants can grow quite large, with leaves that can reach lengths of up to 24 inches or more. The leaves are broad, heart-shaped, and vibrant green, creating a striking contrast against darker substrates and backgrounds. The plant may also produce small white flowers when it is healthy and well established. In the wild, RADICAN sword thrives in nutrient-rich, shallow waters with plenty of light and soft substrate. In an aquarium setting, it prefers a temperature range of 72 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit and a pH level between 6.5 and 7.5. While it can tolerate a range of water conditions, optimal growth occurs in moderately hard to soft water. RADICAN sword requires moderate to high light for best growth, making it suitable for tanks with strong lighting. It benefits from regular fertilization, particularly with liquid fertilizers or root tabs, to support its growth and enhances vibrant coloration. Ensure the substrate is rich in nutrients, as the plants will absorb minerals directly from the soil. In an aquarium, RADICAN sword can be paired with various fish species, including community fish like tetras, guppies, and corridors. It also works well alongside other plants such as anubias and java ferns. However, be cautious when housing it with fish that like to dig up or uproot plants that may disturb it, as this may disturb the delicate roots. The RADICAN sword is commonly used in aquascaping for creating lush backgrounds and mid-ground plantings. It provides shelter and hiding spots for smaller fish and invertebrates. While it is generally safe for fish, be mindful of its potential to grow large, which may overshadow smaller plants if not trimmed regularly. Regular pruning helps maintain its size and encourage bushier growth. That wraps up our introduction to the RADICAN sword. The stunning aquatic plant can add beauty and functionality to your aquarium, making it a favorite among aquarists. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences with RADICAN sword in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.